the elevator at the Pegasus Hotel in Key West, Florida. It's a Mowrey 3. Alright, let's go back down to 1. Let's get a cab view. Really tiny, and well, not really tiny, but it is a fairly small cab. GAL JetPlus ripoff fixtures. Here we are on 1. One more right up. Get a look at a hallway. Heading up?
Yeah. No, it's not.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Alright. Gonna get off on 3 so the lady can use the elevator. Watch 3 go out. There we go. There's a GAL interlock. You can tell this is definitely a modernization to something vintage, judging by those curved door frames. Let's get a look out. This is a very neat old Art Deco hotel. Oh, outside stairs. There's a pool back there. There's some Key West outside. It's really retro and old school and cool looking, but it's also very modern at the same time. I like the look of the inside of the place. There's the inside stairs. And that's just a little balcony with a view of one of the main streets of Key West. Alright, I'm not gonna spend more time snooping around here. Let's go take our elevator back down. Now this one actually looks like a regular GAL JetPlus coal station, unlike the other elevator buttons here. You hear it. Heading down, of course it's got your Series 1 ripoff lantern. 1. You have a non-ADA compliant phone. We are on 1.